Hello everyone, welcome back to Fox 54 News. A store in Columbus, Georgia was experiencing looting. A 48-year-old man and a 19-year-old girl were bickering because of a dispute with the store manager and the employees. The 48-year-old male and the 19-year-old girl both wanted a TV. But the TV that they were buying cost $2,500. That is the reason why the looting.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXM32. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Peachtree City and is transmitted from Columbus on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. The WXM32 includes the following Georgia and Alabama counties. In Georgia, Chattahoochee, Harris, Marion, Muskogee, Stewart, Talbot, and Webster. In Alabama, Lee and Russell. Visit our website weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. You can also like your Peachtree City National Weather Service on Facebook or follow NWS Atlanta on Twitter. Civil emergency declared for the Columbus area. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Muskogee County Emergency Management. Due to civil unrest in the Columbus area, the Columbus Police Department and city officials request for people not to join this unrest. If you participate, you will get arrested. Here is your hazardous weather outlook for today.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Columbus Police Department. The unrest in downtown Columbus has gotten worse and turned into rioting, because TVS have been raised up from $2,500 to $10,000. The Columbus Police Department is asking all residents to not participate in this rioting. If you participate, you will be arrested. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Columbus Police Department. A curfew is in effect from 10 p.m. until further notice. Some rioters from downtown Columbus have went into neighborhoods and started to burn people's houses. If you smell smoke, leave your home as fast as you can. If a rioter had entered your home, have a weapon to protect yourself. Make sure to get food, water, and medical supplies. Lock all windows and doors. Turn off all lights. Turn off heat and cold conditioners. Make sure to close your curtains. Go into a certain room with no windows. Stay there until further notice. If there is a rioter in your neighborhood, call 911. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Columbus Police Department. Everyone in the Columbus area should evacuate now. The rioters have started burning down the city of Columbus, burning down downtown Columbus and neighborhoods of Columbus. When leaving, take all your pets, some clothes, a first aid kit, and family members. When you leave, put a white towel on your mailbox, so authorities know you left your home. When you leave, try avoiding downtown Columbus. The curfew has been lifted. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Columbus Police Department. Do not go back to the city of Columbus. The rioters have gotten handled and arrested, but most of the city of Columbus has been destroyed. It will probably take months, even years, to rebuild the city. You have to move to other places like Peachtree City or Atlanta. I repeat, do not go back to your homes until authorities rebuild the city.